Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, morning just light. I'm still on my nighty. I still have on the stacking up on my head. But we're gonna start off the vlog because now I feel like eat something. Today we're going to do eat red food only for 24 hours. So alright, so we have the apple here so, and we have little drinks. So I'm gonna try little drinks and clean up the apples. The apple have a little, you know, the funny business thing around pan fruit, and I mean that. So we're gonna clean out the part here and throw a little drink. So yep, I just washed it a while ago, and him have another little pot more good to it. Yeah, and I'm ready to eat now. So I'm just going sweet. These apples are my sweet, you know. They're just expensive, like $101. In this market that we go, Champion in Orchards, we get 6 for like 500 or something. I don't think that really bad because on the roadside you either buy one for $100 or one for $150. I'm still letting our red blouse, but boy, it's shaky. I'm trying to change my blouse just to start off the video. Probably I take a shower and come back. I definitely find a red blouse in order to do the thumbnail, fix my hair and all of that. Remember guys, comment down below the color food them that I should try. Somebody said I should try white. I'm definitely going to do that for tomorrow. Because right now I feel like the apple swat. Oh my god, I'm not even true. Because right now I do have some white stuff that can eat. From Eva look now, so the flour was so white, so we can start off with some nice boiled dumpling. I have to make sure you eat out the whole of the apple because you can't dash not even $10. All the part that we can't eat all, eat them out too. Alright, I'm going to have some fruit punch juice. I know this already, and this is not pink. The last video, no one come at me and say, oh, I don't know color, which me did already put it out there, so I'm convinced I kind of have a little issue, but if you know, you know. So for today, I could just do laundry, and throughout the whole quarantine time, I am actually doing a lot of cleaning. You don't know them style here, them stacking packet business, ratchet business though, ratchet body. But I did have a little bonnets and it lasts. And from then, I start using stacking pan my head. Oh my god. I'm gonna come back clean and fresh. I'm gonna bathe when everything is over. But throughout the day, if I listen overnight, I record it. I take a little more still. It's rough. You spend it like $1,000 or something on one juice, but when it's good for your body, go ahead, because someone now spend worth like $1,000 pan things were not necessary. One of them juice here is $1,000 something. But you need some good fruit juice now to build up your immune system. Yep. Okay, it's about probably 1:30 or somewhere to 2 time now, and we're going to go in. I got the price here, $875 or like we call this perk menu. One side a red velvet cake. See there, it red. It have like a white on the top and so forth, which may not go for the frosting, but I mean, oh well. So we're going to have a slice of this right now. From I had the apple, and the liquor juice. I did not eat anything else, and that was probably like 3 hours ago. So yep. Alright guys, I'm fresh and come back, right? I'm come back with the black forest cake because I was going to have it when I cut it. The clip wanna see when I cut it. I actually was going to have it then, but I'm like, why not go take a shower? So I'm a black forest cake. Why may I say black forest cake? Red velvet cake and some, I think it's a tongue, mixed tongue I'm seeing in the fridge. So I'm gonna grab on this. It's just funny, it's just all. We buy it like last week and it tastes so old already. In case I come and look and feel. I look old and feel old. This is the only judging blows I could have find. Because I don't feel like put on my proper clothes in my house now, but in a red side, I don't know. My house blouse. At first it says all, but not all of them. It kinda so I'm in a little living area, sit down. I don't normally eat here, I normally eat on the table. But you want to sit down and eat and do this, it's alright. Mama, sing there. Mama, you know me, I watch your last set of clothes. I just hear the machine stop. Ah, the white part. I like the frosting. Whatever. So that's the last set of clothes. And then after, I'm probably gonna snack on something else. I'm gonna have my dinner. I'm gonna have bread. I can't eat I mean I said Frank's. I just add a little ketchup on it. No big deal. Can probably eat with the Doritos too, right? The ear look. I like my foot out already. And actually, it piece my cake, but sure. Come my tongue. I thumbnail like. I could forget my thumbnail. quite a few amount of stuff. Today I had a work to send in where I made a slack up pan, and I went ahead and completed that. Sanity, oh my god guys, I'm doing this video but I'm not in so much a sorry now. Hold on, let's hear this. Me hear what sorry now while ago, and me I say make a look, make a listen, cause me hear them talk about mass and sitting. But then when I hear it when I go back out there. So what if I close up on the bed and me I catch your phone? I was from before that if I feel down, I'm really not in the best mood right now. But
walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
don't because of the this year, so I'm gonna eat none today. I bought it and I'm gonna buy it. Yeah, so. I feel like by me done, my poo I go ready. Come my head. I want to continue the video for you guys, but I'm not in the mood. I'm just being honest. I do have the stickers right here. I have one red one in my mouth. But I'm not in the mood. So I definitely gonna post this video, but we're going to have to revamp it and do it back over. That alright with you know? Yeah, just gonna pick up on yourself and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, right?